Hello, I'm Dr. Ida Khan and welcome back to my channel Medico's Guide. Today, I'm very excited to share with you a very special video that understands the difference between the red bone marrow and the yellow bone marrow, what they do and why they are super important for our health. First of all, we should know what is bone marrow. Bone marrow is a special tissue inside our bones. It makes the blood cells and contains the stem cells that are crucial for our immune system. Now first let's talk about the red bone marrow. The red bone marrow, which is also known as the blood cell factory, so red marrow is where all the actions happen. It makes the red blood cells that carry oxygen, white blood cells that fight infections, and the platelets that help with the clotting. This is the red bone marrow. Here you can see in this bone. Now the yellow bone marrow, just like this. This is the yellow bone marrow. So let's talk about the yellow bone marrow. This is a storage and backup, and the yellow marrow is more like a storage room. It stores the fats and can switch to making red blood cells in emergencies, like when we lose a lot of blood suddenly. It also helps keep our bones strong, support our body's metabolism. It also contributes to the production of fats, bone, and cartilage. Additionally, it facilitates the storage of fats in the cells, which are called the adipocytes, which are crucial for supporting the functioning of bones. Now, where you find them? The red marrow is found in the hollow parts of the long bones and some flat bones like the hip, which is pelvis, skull, and here in this case the rib bone. The yellow marrow is found in the center of the long bones, right next to the red marrow. Now, changing with age. When we are born, all our marrow is red. As we grow up, about half of it turns into yellow by the time we are 7 years old. Even as adults, we still keep some red marrow, which is crucial for making sure we have enough blood cells. Now, bone marrow and health problems. Having healthy bone marrow is really important. Some diseases like leukemia, sickle cell anemia can mess with how our bone marrow works. Tests like aspiration, biopsies are done to check the marrow health and decide if the treatments like the bone marrow transplants are needed. Bone marrow transplants saving lives. Every year, lots of people get bone marrow transplants to treat the serious diseases. These transplants give the patients healthy stem cells to replace the damaged or the diseased marrow, and it's a big deal for helping fight diseases like leukemia. So, learning about the red and the yellow bone marrow shows how incredible our bodies are at keeping us healthy. Whether it's making blood cells or stepping up in emergencies, bone marrow is a vital structure inside us. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the bone marrow, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing informative videos related to medical field. Stay curious and stay healthy until next time.